Hey guys, what's going on? This is JT from JT Coin Rings. Today I am doing the 1908 50 Centavos ring. This is for Aaron Cross. I finally received the second one inside the mail. It looks great. And right now I'm starting the process of rebuilding this ring bigger and better. I can't wait for you to see the end result. I did talk to Aaron, and what we're going to do is we're going to smooth out that inside, man, and we're going to engrave his wife's name in this one. And I'm going to show you that end result in another video. But so right now, I'm showing you the process that I do. I punch a hole in the ring. This time, I'm smoothing out the punch, making sure that there's no cracks, anything that will cause the ring to fail. And right now I'm going through what they call the folding phase of the coin ring. This right here makes the ring go inside out. This was the first step of really forming that ring. You put my starter cone there, and see, now you have a cone. Nice cone shape. You see the detail still intact in this ring, and I smoothed out that inner punch. I just wanted to make sure that it was nice and smooth. Then you want to put a torch on it because it's time to fold some more. I want to turn the coin inside out, and that's the process there. Next, on the ring stretcher, I want to stretch the ring to a certain point, add a little bit more nailing because I want to make sure I don't do no ripping of the coin. And now I want to inspect the coin for any rips or tears. And now I focus on my next step, and that's removing the detail inside the ring. Looking good so far. 1908, and you see there, I'm looking at the detail on one side. I haven't removed any detail. And you see on the right side, I started to do the detail while I was at work, removing that inside detail with some sandpaper. And there I go right there. I'm continuing to remove it. Now I like using the lowest grade because I really want to get it all the detail out with the toughest grit I can possibly have. That's like 120 up to 320. While I'm at the light, I take the ring and green light just to clean the inside. So I do it throughout the day. When I'm at my workbench in my house, when I go to work, or on my way home. I try my best to keep at it because sometimes I don't have enough time on the bench at the house. So this is like, I think 100 or maybe 120 grit, and I smooth it clear, all the detail in the inside of the coin ring. And then I go to all the way to 2000 grit or 3000 grit if I have it, shine it up. And I do this, and then the next step is to engrave the coin ring. So I'll show that process as well. All right, catch you later. So there you go. I started the process there. I removed the detail, and this is how it looks. I remove the reeded edge, also smoothed out the cut edge there. And as you see, the detail is completely removed from the inside. It's ready for engraving. I'm going to show that on the next video. But right now, I like it so far. All the detail is there in the coin, and it looks more like a ring when I finish. I'm going to smooth out that rim edge, resize it, then engrave name. And there you go. So guys, stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate you spending time with me. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. And if you like a coin ring, go to jtcoinrings.com. I'll see you later. Take care.